Hello friends, we are going to talk about index awareness in this video. It has a great effect on query performance for web intelligence reports. We will understand the concept with a simple example. I have two tables, state and state fact. State table is with two fields, state ID that is primary key and numeric, and state that keeps state names as text values. State fact table keeps quarterly sales information for each state and for different product lines and categories. Aggregate ID is primary key. If we look closely the fields, we can see that state ID, that is a foreign key, and that is a join between these two tables. If we check data for these tables, state table where state ID is primary key, and for state fact table aggregate ID is primary key. We have state ID also here as foreign key, that is pointing to the primary key in state table. Now come to reporting requirement. Based on these two tables, I want to pull sales revenue with year, quarter, product lines and categories. You can see that these fields are coming from state fact table. But I want the data only for particular states. That means we have to apply a filter on state names, and state names will come from state table. So to get correct data, we need to link these two tables. Are you with me? Okay. For our requirement, if I write query, then that will be like this. All my result fields, data will come from both tables, a join condition between these tables, and a filter on state values. We all know that query performance improves with better use of indexed fields. What I mean is, instead of these named text values, if I use state ID, that is a primary key and indexed, my query will be faster. Also, we have seen that state ID is a foreign key in state fact table. So rather than taking these values from state table, we can use this field from state fact table. This further improves performance because it is removing table join, and we know that lesser the joins, faster the query. So final optimized query for our report would be like this. This is perfectly fine when I am writing queries manually and for a smaller data set. I can use primary key or foreign key. That is very important for database performance. But in web intelligence, for my customers, concept of using foreign key is not meaningful. They know objects that relate to business. They will use state object and fill known values as state in Texas or California, not state ID equal to 3 or 6 or 9. Here comes the advantage of using index awareness feature. Let me show in Webby what I am talking. I have created a universe with state and state fact tables. To create a new web intelligence report on this universe, I am pulling year, quarter, product line, category and sales revenue. Let's add a query filter on state for few values. If I check SQL for this query, I can see that it has these both tables, join between tables, and filter condition on state. This is what a traditional query looks like. Now I have modified state object in universe and made it index aware so that it will take primary key and foreign key into consideration while query formation. I am pulling same objects and filter on state and passing state values as Florida, DC, New York and others. Let's check SQL again. There is no surprise that SQL is based on single table and using foreign key values because we have applied index awareness on state object that we are using as filter object. Designer has applied the filter directly on the fact table by using the dimension table foreign key. This eliminates unnecessary and costly joins to dimension values. From the end user point of view, nothing changed. Same objects and text values as filter parameters, but query performance has drastically improved compared to previous example. Do you want to see the magic behind it? Welcome to Around BI. Index awareness is the ability to take advantage of the indexes on key columns to speed data retrieval. We set up index awareness in Designer for object definition and tell Designer which database columns are primary and foreign keys. Report query can take advantage of the indexes on key columns to speed query results. In Universe Designer, we have these two tables. Join is between state ID column, that is primary key in state and foreign key in state fact table. Index awareness is set for object. So go to state object and open its definition. Click keys. This is place where we define which key is primary and which is foreign. We need to set data type for primary key, either numeric, date or text fields. In our case, state ID is numeric. Click on insert. Key insertion starts with primary key and then foreign key. Click ellipsis and select primary key, that is demo state.state ID. Parse it to check proper syntax. Also, we have objects and different functions available to pick other combination. Click OK. We can add where clause if necessary. Next, we will add another key, that is foreign key. Select state ID from demo state fact table. We need to repeat to add keys if more columns make up foreign key. Detect provides an option for us to detect possible combination of primary key and foreign key. That's it. We will apply changes and export Universe to repository. Process is same in information design tool. I have used efashion.unx and opened business layer. I will select the object that I want to keep index aware, that is state object in this example, and go to keys. Add key will add primary key. Click on SQL and select the table and field for primary key. We will add where condition if required. Similarly, we will add foreign key. With index awareness, we tell Designer that state ID is the primary key of the state table and that also appears in the state fact table as foreign key. Using this information, Designer can restrict the states without joining to the state table and can generate SQL in the most efficient way that will boost query performance. This is all about index awareness. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.